Alright guys, we got loaded. We only have, it is total weight 9,000 pounds, and we are headed to Walgreens distribution in Northlake, Texas. We have, when we get there, supposed to get there on the 19th. We have an appointment at 9 o'clock in the morning. Yep, 9 o'clock in the morning on the 19th. It's not going to take us that long to get there. We'll see where we end up. We might have to go to the yard in Dallas. We'll just see how, we'll play it by ear. Not my best time to start driving at 6 p.m., but let's go ahead and get it. Alrighty. Turn the lights on. And let's start our day. I still got that load suspension warning on here, but it is what it is. Oh man. Gotta watch this little barrier out of here. That's why I swung it kind of wide. Always swing it wide. Yeah, other than that, we're just creeping out of here. I want to, like, when I come out of here, take it easy, because just in case somebody else is trying to come in. But we do got a little bit more recording we can do before the sun goes down. At least I'll try to get us out of here, get us to the highway. I did decide to take the route back, going through Indianapolis instead of down through Nashville, or going to through the bypass area like I've done before. All right, let's see what we got. I think we're pretty clear. Gosh, as soon as I say we're clear, a car comes. Sorry, buddy. We're getting out of your way. We're getting out of your way. Oh, never turning in there. All right. I did see something about people parking in one of these lots over here. I thought about it, and I was just like, I'd rather get out of this back roads area while it's still daylight out versus waiting till later. Just get me out of here. Get me out of here. Oh, that's nice. I like manicured lawns. I just think there's a lot of detail that goes into it, more than what people think. You know, my dad had me cutting grass, and I remember first time he told me, he was just like, "You don't know how to cut no grass." And I was like, well, you told me to cut it. I didn't know you had to have lines in your grass and stuff. So I ended up, my dad told me about the lines and keeping in the lines. And to this day, well, we first started in Washington State. But to this day, that man keeps his yard looking nice. They have some, I know it's like, what, the bluegrass state? I wonder if that's bluegrass, has like a different tint to it. I don't know, it's just like, I think a nice lawn makes a home, or any place, look really nice. All right, so it wasn't that bad of a left-hand turn to get in here. I hope that it's not that bad of a right-hand turn. Got this hill. Oh, we got the light. We got the light. We're probably not gonna make the light. I don't know why I do that. All right, car, slow down. I think we're just gonna wait. It's 3, 2, 1. Yep, we're gonna wait. Oh, it shouldn't be that bad of a turn. The crackling pig, homemade pork rinds, bacon puffs, and freeze-dried Candian? I can't really read it. Small town, Oklahoma. I have a feeling these cars are gonna try to jump me. Jump me when the light turns. But it's a fairly easy right-hand turn. Got about 10 seconds. What else? Country Life Antiques. I saw that when I was coming in. First Baptist Church. All right. Golden in there, speed limit 25 miles per hour through this small. Oh, we're making a quick left. Oh, this is where I saw those other trucks going. When we first came up the hill. I'm probably not gonna make this. Nope. I always anticipate not making the light. More than likely, that is going to be the case. Maybe I can get in here between this truck and this. Yeah, I'll go after this Ford. Yeah, buddy. Definitely gonna beat the tractor. And we're in there. All right, we're on this road for about 6 miles. What's down here? What is that? Is that a hotel? Is this like a, not a resort, like a, you know, a tourist area? Speed limit 35. So I guess we're in Berlin. Cool, cool. Checking out the scenery. Really, I'm just keeping my eyes open for things like no truck signs, any kind of warnings and stuff. I try to read pretty much everything, just keep my, you know, make sure I don't miss anything. But at the same time, it's like I'm looking for those warnings, looking for any kind of insight into what's going on. And then also just soaking it up, taking it in. I don't know when I'd ever be back here. I know personally, I probably would have never even came back here. All right, see, this is what I'm talking about with having to downshift manually. I would prefer, like I said, a downshift to 8th, just to get up this hill. And now I can upshift to 9th. It's just, I wish it was more proficient. It's trying to be efficient. There we go, we got another horse. See, I was telling you guys about the horses that be back here. For the people that have never seen it, like me. I am gonna catch him at an awkward point, so I'm just gonna slow down. There's a car passing me because I need to take this wide to get around him safely. But we are coming up on a turn area. Alright, now I can swing back over real quick. I just turned my hazards on to do that. Just because I didn't want another car to try to pass me. Passing the no passing zone. Yeah, but it's a horse. Alright, speed limit 55. We're on here for 5.2 miles. Yeah. Well, we did see our first horse actually on the road today. It was interesting. I don't want to always be back here, but it's not bad. The times that I have been back here. We're on our 17th biker. I think that's right. Oh man. I'm having too much fun today. Probably because like I spent all that time at the yard and didn't go nowhere. That I was just like antsy, like, okay, where am I going? Where am I going? And of course I'm going back to Dallas, which is fine. But it's always interesting, like, am I gonna get a load on the yard? What kind of load? How heavy is it gonna be? Like, just so many. Oh, that's a nice house. There's so many things. Look at that barn, like a traditional style barn. I like the colors. If I did a barn, or if I did a farm and had a barn or whatever, I want traditional. I wanted a traditional look to it, but modern inside, like a upkeep of it, if that makes sense. I want like the, whoa, we got another horsey. God, there's another bad area for it. I think there's a truck coming up on the... And I got a drawer open. Oops. There we go. You really gotta watch out for these. Like, so I'm glad I'm not doing this at night. I'm pretty sure, you know, the guys with horses won't be out here. But just in general, like someplace you've never been, a small road like this at the middle of the night, and people on horses and bikes and stuff. Yeah, we're good. Let's see. I wonder if we can get 25 bikes by the time I get off this road. We got 17. I think 25 is too high of a number. We're gonna get some more, for sure. For sure. It's just, oh, look at this grass right here. Yeah, whoever did that did nice. Look at them lines. All right. Curb appeal. That was nice. Here goes another one. Look at that one. Maybe looking at this hill I'm about to go on. It's a nice house, actually. And there's a horsey. Whoa, there's a horse trying to get on the road. Alright, so we're at about 3 horses now. God. Horse number 4. I'm not speeding. I guess people got off the bikes and got on the horses, because that's horse number 4. And now, well, I thought that was a horse. That was a go-kart. I mean, not a go-kart, a golf cart. What is going on out here? Do people not believe in cars? Yeah, old school Mercedes. Look at that yard. Wasn't as nice as that other one, but it was nice. Horses and bikes. We had what, 5 the horses and 17 bikes. Yeah, we got 1.5 miles to get off this road. Yeah. This is different. Speed limit hasn't changed, but in my how I'm driving has changed because it looks like it's a little bit more congested area. So I need to slow down. Got enough tractors? And this is like on the main road. Look out, like off in the distance, man. All right, we're up to 19 bikes. 2 at a time. Half a mile, we're making a left. Speed limit is 35. To Weinsberg. Wood furniture. Oh, look at the lady doing her. That was interesting. Why did my CB radio just go off and on? Alright, 0.2 miles, making a left on the US 62. Oh, lordy, 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 lordy. Going on. Well, it kind of just turns left. All right, nobody's coming. I can kind of cut it. All right, get me out of here. Oh man. This is interesting. It's not too bad, actually. Y'all just hear my thought process throughout everything. Over exaggeration. My anxiety levels go up. Whew. Swiss Valley Fire Department. Beeping at me. Is that a bike? Are we going on bike number 20? I think so. Yeah, we're going on bike number 20. With the flashing light up here. Now look at this yard right here. He got the crisscross checkers going. That house wins. So far, that house wins. All right, biker. All right, there goes bike number 20. All right, let's slow it down. We got 3 miles left to get, well, I think we're staying on US 62. We're just making could be a left. What is this? Oh, it's a church. I thought it was a plant or a restaurant. It's an actual church. Nice. I'm also the type of person that if any of my homes that I've owned have never been off a main road. Even inside the neighborhood, I don't like the main road. Like my house currently is like, there's a cul-de-sac in front of my, like it was gonna be the end of my street, and then they extended it a couple houses. But I like that because one, there's additional parking, but then two, you're not really gonna, by the time you get to my street, if you don't live there, you're not, we all know the cars that live around there. I wouldn't want big trucks going past my house, staying out here like this. Yeah, traditional red barn. Bicycle shop. Now that is awesome. They got all these bikes. They got a bicycle shop. That place probably is busy. Busy. And it's on a hill too. So man, if you got something going on with your bike, you gotta take it up that hill. Bicycle shop. That's awesome. Definitely makes sense. Definitely makes sense back here. All right, 1.3 miles. We're actually making a button hook onto 250, which I've actually been on a 250 before. That's where I saw all the horses before. I say horses, but it's got like the, you know, the horse and carriage thing going on, and all the bikes. So man, we definitely might get over 25 bikes. It's starting to get dark. I know that last bike had a light on the back. Most of the bikes that I saw, they don't really have lights, so I'm not too sure. In a lot of these towns, they have like the sign saying no engine brake. Doesn't really apply to me because I don't have I have muffled Jake brakes. But there was not one in this area. We are in Wilmot Corporation. Boy, that says no engine brake. There's so much of small town America we don't really get to see. All right, 0.2 miles. Oh, at this light, I'm gonna be making a left and then making another immediate left. All right, don't want to hit these cones. Oh, so this is my left, which is not a left. But I'm going to be making a left at the light onto, gotta keep it wide, onto 250 here. Well, there are other trucks. Like I said, I've been on 250 before. Excuse me. Fairly easy of a turn. Nobody's coming. we're on here for 17 miles. Speed limit 25. Faith Christian Academy. Don't know about that. I went to public schools and DOT school. Whoa. Is it DOT? Am I getting confused? DOD schools. I've been doing too much truck driving. Whew. Oh yeah, I'm a DOD kid for the most part until high school. Then I went off base. Well, middle school. No, because middle school I was in Korea. So yeah, I'm a DOD kid all the way up until high school. Then I finally went to your traditional public school. But other than that, I was always around military kids. And in Korea, I was around DOD civilian kids as well. I had a friend that was from France. Oh, Victor. I can't believe I remember his name. Shout out to my friend Ashley. She's out in, we went to middle school together. She's out in Korea still. Yeah. Korea's literally my second home. I love that place. All right, what we got here? The Wilderness Center. All right, get me out of these backwoods. Astronomy Day. Oh, so did y'all see like the solar eclipse? I was driving and I knew, my friend told me that the solar eclipse was going to be happening, and I was like, all right, cool. I'm probably going to see the solar eclipse because I was going east coming from Dallas to Ohio. I was still going east, and I think I end up turning north, but I will say like this, I think it was supposed to happen around 11 or something. When the sun came up, it was brighter than it's ever been. There was not a cloud in the sky. I couldn't see anything. I had the seat all the way up in the roof. Sunglasses on. Like, it was worse than it had been before. And then, so I got to Haiti or Haiti. I got to Haiti, Missouri, and I was like, hit my friend up. He was like, yeah, it's supposed to happen at this time. I was like, well, I don't know when it happened. All I know is I could not see anything. Oh, what you got there? But yeah. Alright guys. Yeah, I got 15 miles left on this road. It's about to get dark. Not really good for recording at night. But yeah. Headed to Dallas. I'll send you updates. Peace.